Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: how do you know if your Philips Fidelio T1 are charging? So we can check it for the charging case. At the back side we have a USB-C port, so if you connect your earbuds to the power by USB-C cable and you see the LED light here, meaning that your earbuds are charging. Now, if you put your earbuds to the charging case, and right here you see white LED light, meaning that your headphones are charging. Also, you can open Philips headphones application. You need to remove your earbuds from the charging case, and if you see the battery percentages, then you can put your earbuds to the charging case and then check it after sometimes for, let's say, 10 minutes. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!